This is the Lausanne electric scrubber that was actually sent to me, and it's quite cool. So right at the bottom of the actual handheld, this is where you're going to go ahead and charge it. It is USB-C charging, and it does a USB-C cable does come with it. Right here you have the on button, and it has two different speeds. So like a really fast one and a slower one. And then this button right here, actually once you push it down, you can actually angle this headpiece, and this is the sort of scrubber part. So I actually like that because it just makes it so much easier to clean your bathroom, to clean your tub, or anything like that. Of course, this is not the end of it. You have two different poles so that you can go ahead and sort of extend the length of it. So this is one handle, right? So this is one handle here. That's super easy to connect. However, on this handle, you have a little button right here. And once you go ahead and press that down, you can actually extend this a little bit more. So it's actually quite long, and it's definitely helpful to go ahead and scrub. Now, this is just the handheld aspect of it. You do have a few different attachments that come with it. You have a big sort of scrubbing brush. This is nice bristles. You have a smaller sort of bristle brush. You have a corner bristle brush. You have a rough scouring pad, which can go ahead and hook onto what is like a Velcro strap. So right here, this is how you're going to connect all of these actual sponges onto the actual handheld. So right to the top, you can go ahead and just push that down, and you can go ahead and connect all of these. You have a polishing sponge, a fake wool sponge brush, a polishing cloth, sort of a water absorbent pad. So this is really good for after you scrub, you have some excess water, you can go ahead and use this to sort of soak up that water. So those are all the attachments. Now, the last two things would be that it comes with a nice carrying bag so that you can put all of your attachments in this drawstring bag. It comes with this hook. So this is sort of a sticky adhesive, and this hook definitely helps you put your scrubber away. So you can go ahead and sort of hook this here, or use this part right here to go ahead and just hook it onto your wall. So this can go onto your wall, onto your tile, or somewhere wherever you need to go ahead and secure this. So let's go ahead and actually use this in the tub just to see how it works.